Today I'm making salmon.
So right here I have 3 packets of salmon that I'll be making 2 different types of fried/grilled salmon. Let's start. And these are the ingredients that we'll be needing to marinate. So salt and some herbs. I have mixed herbs, oregano leaves and paprika, as well as white pepper powder. Now we'll just pat the salmon dry with a kitchen cloth. Alright, so now I'm going to start with marinating. So each one of them, I'm marinating them exactly the same. So start off first with some salt. A little bit of white pepper. Mix it in. I put a little too much salt here, so I'm just going to transfer it over. And apply the same to the back as well. Again, same thing. Salt. And white pepper. Just spread it across the fish. Just like this. And then we'll flip it back. So you can also use some of the extra pepper and just spread it across the edges. And now we are going to use the rest of our herbs as well and just put it on top. So it's completely optional. This, I'll start off first with paprika. Paprika may be a little spicy for some, so the amount that you put will truly depend on your individual preference. And now I'm adding in mixed herbs. So all these herbs actually give it a really nice flavor and a good touch to it, rather than, of course, if you would prefer it, you can just add in salt and pepper and it'll taste fine because salmon on its own tastes good. But if you want more flavoring, this will be a good option. So lastly, I'll be swapping out, originally I mentioned oregano leaves. I'll be swapping it out for basil leaves. So it's really simple to marinate. Everything can just be done in less than 5 minutes. To marinate it, keep it for another 5 minutes, and then we can bake it in the oven. So these two are exactly the same, except this one that I've separated it out, I'll actually be cutting it into slices. So let me just go and wash my hands real quick. So just going to cut it in half here. Right, okay. And then just this extra piece here, so you get nice cubes. The skin is a little bit more difficult to cut. Let me just do the cubes first. If I'm not able to cut it, then I'll just bake it this way. Yeah, the skin is, yeah, right, it's fine. I'll just bake it this way. So this will be going into the air fryer. Here, this first one here. And this will go into the oven. Let's do it. I have my air fryer pan here. I've coated the paper with oil so that it does not stick. Now I'll just drop it in. Right? And start frying it. Now the next part, I have my baking tray here. I've coated the aluminium foil with oil. You can see it sort of. So I'll just put this in. And pop it into the oven. So putting it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes first. So the air fryer, can't see it now, but it's also at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. So this right here is 20 minutes in the air fryer. It's looking pretty good. Well cooked as well. Let me just cook it out. Amazing. So this right here is salmon together with salad, and this is the air fried salmon. For the salmon that is baked in the oven, it's looking pretty good as well, and it can be had with salmon. Sorry, it can be had with salad as well.